Today, we're going to build a Republic gunship using 16 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with the Travis brick. I know, lots of shock. But anyway, the Travis brick is going to be the back of our gunship. So on the bottom of the Travis brick, we've got that big old open hole. That's going to be the back, which means the top stud is now the front of our gunship. And for the front stud, I'm going to get this 1x1 standard brick. I don't use these very much, but the brick just goes right there on that front stud. And on this standard 1x1 brick, I'm going to grab a headlight brick. And the headlight brick goes on that 1x1 brick with the headlight stud facing up, because this is going to be where the pilot sits in the canopy of the cockpit. And for that canopy, I'm going to use this 1x1 round translucent black tile piece. And once that's in place, I can create the front end of my gunship. And for the front end, I'm actually going to use this dark red slope piece, this cheese wedge slope, and have it sloping so the thin end is on the top and it slopes down to the bottom, because I want to get some of those Republic colors. I know the gunship usually has like that lime green, but this piece is just too big to be green, so I like using the dark red here. Now once it's in place, on the top stud, I'm going to grab a 1x2 tile piece and put that tile piece so it's flush with the back and goes partly over the 1x1 brick to just kind of give that sloping effect of the gunship. And on the bottom where our soldiers are going to fit, I'm going to grab a 1x4 double slope piece, and I'm going to put a 1x1 plate into the front kind of notch here to extend this. So on the front, you've kind of got two stud areas attachment, in the back only one. And I'm going to take that back part and put it on the bottom of my Travis brick. So once again, it's kind of flush with the back there. And here we've kind of got the open end where all the clone troopers kind of pile in so they can unload into the battlefield. But now that my body's complete, I get to start making the wings. And for the wings, I'm going to grab these 1x1 plates with ring and put those on the side studs of my Travis brick so that the rings are facing up. And now that I have something to attach my wings to, I get to start building the wings. And for the wings, I'm going to grab a 2L bar with that center stop ring and a 1x2 plate with this clip on the end. And what I want to do is I want to put that clip on end onto the 2L bar so it's touching that stop ring. And then on the end of this 1x2 plate, I'm going to get a translucent clear 1x1 round tile. So this is like that, the bubble turret on the side wings. I wanted to separate that color from the side turrets on the wing from the cockpit canopy. But anyway, once these are in place, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that end with the 1x2 plate with clip. You've got a little bit of that bar still showing. I'm going to put that bar into the front of the ring like this so that it stays attached, doesn't fall off, but it also gives us kind of those longer cannons that are on front and on top of our gunship. So I'm going to do the same thing. This time I'm going to put that translucent clear round tile on the end stud. I'm going to grab that 2L bar with center ring, put the clip right there next to the stop ring, put it into my ring on my gunship, and here is a completed Republic gunship to go into battle against the Separatists and drop some clones off.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.